Okay friends, in this video I am going to show you best 15-second binary options trading strategy that can help you to make profitable trades for lifelong. And I am exactly going to show you, I am not only going to show you, explain you the strategy, okay? I am going to show you by making these trades where I was able to win 7 trades in a row and 1 trade was lost, okay? I'll show you everything in this video. So watch this video very carefully. And if you are new to my channel and if you want some free binary signals to trade binary options in a profitable way, then you can join my free Telegram channel. Now, without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic. So firstly, select all of these currency pair that have 92% payout. Just make it yellow and all of these currency pair are at above, okay? Once you do this much, then just select this candlestick and make it as 15. That means each of these candles are forming in 15-second time frame. Now, if here it is flagged, make it clock and select as 15 as a trading time frame. That means your trade will be closed in 15-second time. Now, once you do this much, then decide the amount that you want to invest. Now, you need to implement this indicator that is called parabolic SAR. You can click on it and click on parabolic SAR at here and it will appear in this way. Now, parabolic SAR have a simple concept. Whenever these dots are forming above the candles, that means the downtrend is forming, and whenever these dots are forming below the candles, that means an uptrend is going on, okay? But in this strategy we are going to do things a little bit in a different way. Let's say you are in this currency pair right now you just turn to another currency pair and see these dots are below the candles. That means it is an uptrend, but you will make trade by clicking on lower at here, one trade, okay? And once you win in this trade or lose in this trade, you immediately go to another currency pair and you see these dots are below the candles. That means it is an uptrend, but you will make trade by clicking on lower. Now once this trade close, you will again go to another currency pair and you can see dots are above the candles. That means it is a downtrend, but you will make trade by clicking on higher. This strategy is as simple as this, okay? You need to take risk, and I would suggest you to make 5 trades in one set. That means if you win 4 trades, if one trade goes loss and you win 4 trade, you are still in profit. If you lose 2 trade and make 3 trade profits, you are still in profit. That's why make 5 trades in one set, okay, or in one day, so you can become profitable again and again by using this simple strategy. And another important thing, before starting to trade in your real account, firstly test this strategy in your demo account, and at that time, whenever you are testing that in demo account, if it is working at that time, then immediately switch to your real account and start to make trade, so that your chances of making profit become exponentially high. Now don't forget to like this video. Now I'll keep quiet and show you the exact video where I was able to make 7 win and 1 loss. So watch that video very carefully and don't skip any part. See my trade execution, how I am executing the trade. It will train your unconscious mind to make trades in that similar way. Now I'll keep quiet. Let's begin.